Hello everyone, today we have a review of quite old but still worth to buy in 2024 stick, which is Xiaomi TV Stick 4K. Based on Android TV, supports all the services like YouTube, Google Play, Prime Video, Netflix and all the others. And actually you can see what's included here. Should be a power adapter, Bluetooth voice remote also supported, and the Xiaomi TV Stick. Actually it's really convenient device if you have quite old TV or just your you don't have smart TV option on your TV. And for example, also you can use it for your LCD screen of your computer, like also quite convenient to have. 3 steps of setup, very simple. Attach Xiaomi TV Stick to TV, connect to internet, start streaming. On the back, Chromecast built-in, Android TV, OK Google, and you've got some Xiaomi pre-installed launcher. That's the model MDZ27AA, manufactured in 2023 August. Actually, let's open it up. I think that's it for the review part. Let me find how to open it quickly. Maybe use the scissors. Alright, here we go. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. You have the remote control, as I see. Quite good quality remote control. You have this cover. Also, let's open it up. The plastic is nice, quality is okay, and here you have like rubber. This is also nice, and batteries, 2 batteries, 3A SAC battery, not included here, maybe inside the box, let's see, but I think they're not included. Alright, let's move on. Let's keep the remote control here. It's stuck somewhere. The stick is stuck. Alright, so finally the box is empty. As you see, you have a lot of paper from Xiaomi, English, Italiano and all the others. The quality is normal. Have 2 cables. The first one is HDMI. It's, let's say, when it's not enough space, you can use this sort of HDMI extender. It's included, also nice. The charger, Xiaomi power adapter. It's actually only 5 watt. It's 5 volts, 1 ampere, but nice that you have it with you. And the stick itself. So that's the size. Not small, not big. Actually, how you charge it? Okay, see, you charge it over there. Basically, you can connect the micro USB cable here, connect it and connect it with the network and charge it. Very simple. Alright, so let's put these things out. Okay, they should stop using this shit. It's really not convenient to do it, but okay, finally. So that's how it looks like. No buttons here, only micro USB cable here. This we put to the socket that way. And for remote control, we'll insert the batteries, connect it, and let's make together the first power on, and I will be back to you. Alright, let's wait for the first turn on. Android TV, as we see. Remote control and insert the batteries, so let's test it out. The first loading will take some time. Android TV. I think it should be some Xiaomi launcher on top of it. Let's see. Alright, so let's start the pairing. Just push 2 buttons here. Alright, so I heard some sound, so connected successfully. Region, language. Okay, we have, anyway, let's select Australia. Quickly set up skip. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll connect quickly to Wi-Fi now. Okay, we've connected to the internet. Now let's wait until it will be set it up fully. And let's see what we've got inside this TV stick. Okay, Google skip for now. Terms of use accept. Use location. Improve no. Okay, it doesn't matter, accept. Let it give to Google all our data. Anyway, they will take it. Okay, load in. And just for reminding, the 4K version, the main difference between just Full HD version is the amount of RAM, which is 1 GB in regular version 1080 and 2 GB in 4K version. That's actually the main difference. Powered by Android. Get apps from Google Play, talk to Google Assistant, cast to your TV. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. Control, okay, control. Okay, point volume, okay, done. Anyway, terms of use agree. Android system update is here. Alright, so it actually really looks like regular Android TV with some, of course, additional updates from the Xiaomi app. So let's check some update. Maybe they are available now. I don't know. Okay, so the button here, back. Finish setup. I don't want to. Apps, device preferences, about. Mi TV Stick, Android TV 11, Android TV March 2022. So actually quite outdated, but maybe it should be some updates. Status here, just address. Okay, always click. Okay, launch something, I don't know what. Okay, let me close it. Alright, device preferences. So let's check for update. Maybe something's available up to now. So it's regular Google. Okay, actually some update available. Let's download it anyway. Meanwhile, it's downloading, let's go on through the apps. What we have here, date and time, nothing special. Language, okay, language, majority of languages are available. Keyboard, of course, Gboard, display and sound, match content dynamic range, your device will match output to the region. Okay, let's keep it. Screen resolution, so it's automatically switched to 1080 and 4K is not supported by this TV. Screen position, actually normal. HDMI, SES, device auto power off, auto change language, let's keep. It's quite convenient, so you turn on your device, your stick, and it will also turn on your TV. System sound, let's disable. For audio, automatic is fine. Patch wall, so actually it's this launcher as I understood, just showing storage, so I think it's 8 gigabytes. So for 5.2 it's total available space. Home screen, video preview, audio preview, you can customize your channels, what you want to see. Let's disable this, no needed anyway. Also, you can reorder apps, games, etc. So Google Assistants, let's keep. Chromecast built-in, just a version of Chromecast. Screen saver, backdrop, sleep colors. Okay, let's try backdrop. Start now, let's test it out, how it looks like. Okay, need to wait. It's getting sometimes slowly. Okay, that's just very normal for Android TVs. The screensaver location. Okay, usage and diagnostic turn off, no needed anymore, accessibility and factory reset. Remote and accessories, so actually you just add your remote control or add some like Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones, up to you. So account, sign in, of course you need Google account to sign in first. Apps, Mi TV Plus available here. All right, finish setup of your TV, let me do it later. All the apps here available. You can go to App Store to download it, so click get more apps, and when you log into your Google account you can download any app available. Android TV, Mirrorcast available, Prime Video is all by default. Let's try to open Google Play Store. Okay, anyway, I need sign in, I will not do it right now. So basically it should work quite fine, I guess. Let's try something, Mi TV Plus, open some app. Actually, as you see, it works. Works okay, not fast, not slow. Yes, I don't know, it's something from Xiaomi for free. Some videos. So it's working fine. I will not show for copyrights a lot. But actually it's quite fast, as you see. Exit. Okay, YouTube. Let's open YouTube to check it out. How fast it is. I don't see any troubles for first time. Maybe it will be a bit slow, but then it become faster and faster. I don't think any troubles, so I guess it should work pretty fine. And for this price I bought it on AliExpress for around 40 bucks. So for $40 it's a really good option, and I really recommend it to buy if you need like 4K for 4K TV or just regular Full HD. But just don't Full HD version costs of course up to $5 less, but I suggest to buy 4K because it will work faster even with regular Full HD TVs. So basically that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.